my mustard.
Did you know that DJ Mustard is a real person? This guy behind produced the Mustard song by Kendrick Lamar is actually named DJ Mustard. No idea. You know what his first name is? Dejan. Makes total sense. Dejan McFarland's actually his name. DJ Mustard. Well, DJ Mustard and Heinz have teamed up, come together with a new mustard, marking the first new mustard that Heinz has put out in 10 years. Man, it's called Mustard! You can get it right now at Buffalo Wild Wings across the country. Get it on a burger, get it on the side. I'm guessing that's how they're selling it. After July 14th, it's going to be at 7-Eleven. Good choice. Walmart, Target, and of course, Amazon. Who's not on Amazon, right? Yeah. So it's got a chipotle, sweet honey flavor to it. Kind of mix it up. It said it's a little bit thick. So they're in their R&D stage of it. They had jalapenos and mangoes and things like that in there. And Mr. DJ Mustard said, nah, we're going chipotle, honey. Pretty common flavor, but it's mustard now. It's mustard. So go to Buffalo Wings Wild Wings right now and check it out, try it out, or wait, get it on Amazon. I'm sure somebody's gonna be selling box sets of this signed by DJ Mustard and Kendrick Lamar. Man, if you get a Kendrick Lamar DJ Mustard bottle from Heinz, heck yeah, man! Put that on the shelf. Let's go. All right, thanks for checking out this video. Many more to come. INEBBQ.com. Talk to you guys later.